You have bills that recur every month. There's no need to manage them manually. Now that you're using Bujeti, you can automate this bill payment to ensure you stay ahead of due dates and maintain control over your cash flow. I'm Titilayo, and in this video, I'll show you how to automate your recurring bill payment on the Bujeti platform.
From a dashboard, head to the expense section in the menu bar. Click on Bills from the drop-down. Then click Pay a Bill. Now, fill in the bill details such as vendor. If the vendor has been added before, select their name. If not, you can create a new one by clicking Create Vendor. Add a unique reference to help identify the bill. Set the due date for payment. Then enter your line items including quantity, unique price, any discount and VAT. Once that is done, click Continue. Next, confirm the bill details and select a category, the source of fund. This is where the payments will be deducted from. To automate this, click on Schedule and enter the start and end dates. Then choose how often the bill should repeat: one time, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. When everything looks good, click Save to complete.
And just like that, we've automated our bill payment. Now, follow that same step to automate your recurring payment so you and your team never miss a due date.